children, how are you? Now we are discussing about the present tense. What is the present tense? The action. What is the present tense? Present tense should be used to talk about things that are happening in the present. Present jarigetapudu now. What is happening now? What is happening now? Jarigabodedi ippudu. In present. Present. It tells about the habitual actions. It tells about the habitual actions. All of you look here. I, we, you, he, she, it, they, they. I is the first person singular. We is the first person plural. You is the first person singular and plural. He, she, it is the third person singular. They is the third person plural. We have to remember it. And also we have to remember for he, she, it, yes is added. Yes added. For I, we, you, they. Yes is not added. Yes add kaadu. Yes is not added. Yes is not added. Okay, children. Here, see, structure mark subject plus V1 plus object. This is the structure. They drink water. They drink water. When the subject is singular, the verb will be plural. He drinks water. When the subject is singular, when the subject is here plural, the verb will be singular. Here, when the subject is singular, the verb will be plural. We have to remember. When the subject is plural, the verb will be singular. When the subject is singular, the verb will be plural. You have to remember. Okay. Next we will go to the past tense. What, Nana? Next we will go to the past tense. All of you note down in your book. First, past tense. What is meant by past tense? Already completed. Already completed is called the past tense. Already completed. Completed action is called the past tense. Structure Nana, subject plus V2 plus object. She drank water. She drank water. V1, V2, V3, V4. Eat, ate, eaten, eating. V4 is nothing but V1 plus ing. Is called the past tense. Okay, children. Next, you drank water. This is the past tense. Okay. Next, we will go to the future tense. What is future tense? Jaragaboyedi. Going to happen. Going to happen. Tomorrow. Like this is called the future tense. Structure mark subject will, shall, V1 plus object is called the future tense. Okay, children. Next, I will go to home. This is the structure of the future tense. This is the structure of the future tense. Okay children, all of you remember? All of you remember. Next we will go to the what, Lana? Next is present continuous. Present continuous. What is the structure of present continuous? Subject is, am, are, V1 plus ing plus object. V1 plus ing plus object is nothing but what, Lana? What it is? V1 plus ing sub is not, but what it is? V4. Next. For he, what will, I, for I, what will come? Am. He, she, it is. We are. Okay? All you have to remember. All you have to remember. Next. I am going to move. I am going to move. This is the correct form. Next is what? Past continuous. Past continuous means in past it is going. Structure ma subject was, verb, V1 plus ing plus object. Okay children? V1 plus I was running. I was running. All of you note down in your books with neat handwriting. Okay children? Next we will go to the what mark? Here. See here, what they have given here, how to usage the words, how to usage of words. See here. Here they have given, see here Nana, he is studying in the class for the last 5 years. Last 5 years nunchi చదువుతూనే ఉన్నాడు. What we have to use? చదువుతూ ఉన్నప్పుడు continuous రాదు. What we have to use? He has been. ఏమొస్తుందన్నా? He has been. ఏమొస్తుందన్నా? Use of the present perfect continuous to talk about something that has started in the past and ఇంకా కంటిన్యూ అవుతూనే ఉన్నాడు. అప్పుడు ఏం యూజ్ చేయాలి? He has been, he is not, it is wrong one. He has studied in this school for the last 5 years is correct. Next, see here, if the action has happened at a particular point of the time in the past, we don't use the past perfect. See here, ma. My mother had visited Kanyakumari last year. My mother had visited Kanyakumari last year, they told me. Had visited Rakururu. Only we have to use visited. Because they are telling about the particularగా చెప్తున్నారు కాబట్టి it is correct. Next. Surat's father has played cricket last year. That is the wrong. Surat's father played cricket last year. They have told particularగా చెప్తున్నారు కాబట్టి last year కాబట్టి this is the correct. Next. All of you look here. When the main class future tense లో ఉంది అన్న when the main tense is in future tense, the subordinate should be not in future tense. Future tense lo undakudadu. It should not. It should not in future tense. That one should be not in future tense. Future tense lo undakudadu. This is the wrong. It is not should be used. See here. Neeta will start crying. It will tease her. This is the wrong. Leela will start crying if we tease her. This is the correct term. If it is main class, it should be in present tense. This is correct and this is wrong. Okay, children? Next. I will call you when the dinner is ready. This is the correct. As soon as we will receive the books, we will send it to you. That is the wrong. As soon as we receive the books, we shall send them to you. This is the correct. Okay, children, next. In imperative sentence, suggest kani, warning kani vachinappudu, it should be in present tense. Sima, be careful that you should not cut the edges. Subordinate classes lo raakudadu. Be careful that you don't cut the edges. Should not raakudadu. Em rayali? Don't. Em vastaduna? Don't. Present tense lo ravali. Next. Please ensure that you will not be late to school. Please ensure that you are not late to school. Present tense must come down. Next. In a sentence which has two mutually related past events, రెండు past tense లో వచ్చినప్పుడు what we have to use? Present perfect use చేయాలి. For example, the bus already left by time. I reached the bus stop. This is the correct one. The bus had already left by the time I reached the bus stop. This is the correct. Okay. Next. This రెండు past tense లో ఉండకూడదు నాన్న. Past perfect లో ఉండాలి. I had been a student in this school before I worked in it. Next. He published. If the main class is in past tense, subordinate can be either in past tense or in perfect tense. It should be any in present or future tense. He published his first book after he returns from Africa. This is wrong. He published his first book after he had returned from Africa. This is the correct. Ravi left the station before the train had arrived. This is the correct. Anil told his friend that he was going is correct. Okay, children. If the main class is in past tense, okay, past tense unde subordinate can be in past tense or past perfect. అప్పుడు subordinate class ఏముండొచ్చు? past tense ఉండొచ్చు, past perfect కూడా ఉండొచ్చు. It cannot be in any present tense ఉండకూడదు, present tense ఉండొచ్చు, and for future tense also it must be. Next, expectation. When the subordinate classes mention an alternate statement గురించి చెప్పినప్పుడు it always present in present tense or past tense. The teacher said the sun rises in the, I told now habitual actions ki rises also. Columbus proved that the earth is round. This is correct. It was declared that there are 8 planets in our solar system. This is correct. Next. My friend and I goes for a walk every Saturday. No. This is the wrong. ఇద్దరు వచ్చినప్పుడు ఏం యూజ్ చేయాలన్నా? When the 2 persons are there, we have to use, when the 2 persons are plural, the verb will be singular. My friend and I go for a walk every Saturday. Rahim and Radha are best friends. Are వస్తుంది కదా నాన్న, 2 members are. My friend and his sisters has Radha. ఏమొస్తుంది? Gone. ఏమొస్తుందన్నా? Gone. All of you read carefully and enjoy. Okay.